Is cryptocurrency the future of money or just a passing fad? This is a question that has been asked time and time again, ever since the advent of Bitcoin in 2009. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual forms of currency that use cryptography for security, have taken the world by storm. They have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, to democratize finance, and to redefine how we think about money. Yet they are not without controversy. Critics argue that they are too volatile, too complicated, and too ripe for misuse. They worry about the lack of regulation, the potential for fraud, and the environmental impact of some cryptocurrencies' energy-intensive mining processes. However, proponents of cryptocurrency see a different picture. They see a world where financial power is returned to the people, where transactions are fast and cheap, and where privacy is protected. They see a new kind of economy, one that is decentralized and democratic. The potential of cryptocurrency is vast. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, from Ripple to Dogecoin, there are now thousands of cryptocurrencies in existence, each with their own unique features and uses. They have spawned a multitude of industries, from crypto exchanges to crypto lending platforms, from blockchain-based games to decentralized social networks. Yet, for all their promise, cryptocurrencies remain an enigma to many. They're shrouded in complex jargon, confusing interfaces, and a steep learning curve. They're a world where code is king, where algorithms determine value, and where volatility is the norm. But fear not, for we are here to unravel this enigma, to demystify this world of digital currencies. Over the course of this video series, we will explore the ins and outs of cryptocurrency. We'll delve into its history, its technology, its potential, and its risks. We'll look at how you can get involved, how you can make money, and how you can protect yourself from the pitfalls. So is cryptocurrency the future of money, or just a passing fad? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: cryptocurrency is here to stay, and its impact on our world is only just beginning. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, where code is king and volatility is the norm. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? A question asked by many, and today we're here to break it down. Let's embark on a journey into the heart of this digital revolution. Imagine a world where your money isn't controlled by a bank or government. Instead, it's decentralized, spread out over countless computers worldwide. That's the fundamental premise of cryptocurrency. These are digital or virtual forms of currency, using cryptography for security. Now, if you're wondering what cryptography is, it's essentially a method of protecting information and communications through the use of codes, so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and process it. Cryptocurrencies are powered by technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. This technology is what makes cryptocurrencies immune to the old ways of government control and interference. So, in simpler terms, think of cryptocurrency as digital money. There's no physical coin or bill unless you use a service that allows you to cash in cryptocurrency for a physical token. You keep track of your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. Now, the most well-known cryptocurrency is undoubtedly Bitcoin. It was the first to be established in 2009 and remains the most valuable in terms of market capitalization. However, thousands of alternatives exist, known as altcoins, including brand names like Ethereum and Ripple. One of the most appealing aspects of cryptocurrencies is their potential as an investment. The value of cryptocurrencies, much like stocks, can rise or fall based on market conditions. Some people have made fortunes by investing wisely in cryptocurrencies, although, like all investments, it's important to remember that they come with their own set of risks. In essence, cryptocurrency is a new form of digital asset based on a network that spans countless computers. Its decentralized nature, use of cryptography for security, and the potential for significant returns on investment are just some of the reasons why cryptocurrencies have garnered so much attention in recent years. Bitcoin might be the king of the crypto jungle, but what about the other players? Let's shift our focus from the Bitcoin behemoth and take a walk through the altcoin arena. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are all the digital currencies that came after Bitcoin. They emerged as developers sought to improve Bitcoin's technology or create entirely new cryptocurrencies with unique features and benefits. Now let's touch upon a few of these altcoins that have made a name for themselves. First up, Ethereum, the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform for creating decentralized applications, or dApps. Its native currency, Ether, is used to power these applications and has found a significant place in the realm of smart contracts. Next on our list is Ripple, or XRP. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, Ripple doesn't aim to replace traditional money, but seeks to improve the speed and cost of international transactions. It's like a bridge currency that can be used for instant transfer between different national currencies. Then there's Litecoin, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It was one of the first altcoins and was developed with the aim of tackling some of Bitcoin's limitations. With a faster block generation time, it offers quicker transaction confirmations, making it a popular choice for small, everyday transactions. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. There are thousands of altcoins out there, each with its own unique proposition. Some aim to offer greater privacy, others focus on enabling microtransactions or combating spam, while some are designed to support specific industries or ecosystems. The world of altcoins is a complex and fascinating one, teeming with innovation and potential. It's like a bustling marketplace, where each stall offers something different, something unique. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. It's crucial to do your research before diving in. Each altcoin carries its own unique twist on the cryptocurrency model, offering a wide spectrum of options for investors and users alike. So, whether you're looking for a quick transaction or a platform for building dApps, there's likely an altcoin out there that's just right for you. Cryptocurrencies are not just about transactions, they're about building entirely new financial ecosystems. Now that's a powerful statement, isn't it? But how exactly does this become a reality? This is where the concept of layers in cryptocurrency comes into play. Think of cryptocurrency as a multi-story building. The foundation, the first layer, if you will, is the blockchain. This is the original technology that underpins all cryptocurrencies. It's a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. It's immutable, secure, and transparent. But just like any foundation, it has its limits. It can only handle a certain amount of transactions at a time, and it can be slow and costly. This is where Layer 2 solutions come into the picture, like the extra floors added to our building. These are technologies built on top of the blockchain to improve its scalability and efficiency. One of the most well-known Layer 2 solutions is the Lightning Network for Bitcoin. It allows for faster and cheaper transactions by creating a network of payment channels. Essentially, it's a network within a network. Transactions are made off-chain, then bundled together and added to the blockchain, reducing congestion and fees. But it doesn't stop there. We're seeing more and more innovative Layer 2 solutions being developed. From state channels and side chains to plasma and sharding, these technologies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain. And it's not just about speed and cost. These new layers are creating opportunities for more complex financial instruments and applications. We're talking about decentralized finance, or DeFi, smart contracts, and even non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, all of which are transforming how we interact with money and assets. So, you see, cryptocurrencies are more than just digital money. They're the building blocks of a new financial ecosystem. An ecosystem that's open, decentralized, and inclusive. An ecosystem where anyone, anywhere, can participate. These new layers are paving the way for faster, cheaper, and more efficient transactions, revolutionizing the way we think about money. In a world that never sleeps, staying updated is key to staying ahead. Welcome to the Crypto News Flash, your quick and easy route to the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency. Let's dive right into the thick of things. Regulatory changes are always on the horizon in the crypto landscape, and recently, we've seen countries like El Salvador making headlines as they adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. This move is a significant leap in the acceptance and normalization of cryptocurrency on a global scale. Meanwhile, on the technological front, the innovation never stops. The rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, is reshaping the financial world as we know it. DeFi leverages blockchain technology to create financial systems that are open to everyone, eliminating the need for traditional banking systems and intermediaries. In other news, Ethereum is gearing up for its long-awaited upgrade, Ethereum 2.0, which promises to address issues of scalability and energy consumption. This upgrade could potentially revolutionize the way we interact with blockchain technology, making it more accessible and sustainable. Market trends in the crypto world are as dynamic as ever. Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, continues to dominate the market. However, we're seeing a growing interest in altcoins. Coins like Cardano, Polkadot, and Chainlink are gaining traction and could potentially give Bitcoin a run for its money. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With the rise of crypto comes the rise of crypto scams. Just recently, a major rug pull scam in the DeFi space has left investors out of pocket. It's a stark reminder of the risks involved in the crypto world and the need for investors to be vigilant. The world of crypto is ever evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires staying informed. As we navigate this exciting landscape together, remember to do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency isn't just about technology, it's also about opportunities. Let's talk about the ways you can turn these opportunities into profit. The first and most obvious way is investing. Buying and holding cryptocurrencies has proven to be a lucrative strategy for many. Just like investing in stocks, you buy a cryptocurrency at a low price and sell it when the price increases. The key here is to be patient and keep a close eye on market trends. Then there's trading. Unlike investing, trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within short periods, often within a single day. The goal here is to profit from short-term price fluctuations. This requires a good understanding of market dynamics and a keen eye for detail. But making money with crypto isn't limited to buying and selling. There's also mining. This is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. In return, miners are rewarded with new coins. However, mining requires significant computational power and energy, so it's not for everyone. Another method is staking. This involves holding a cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Basically, you're putting your coins to work for you. In return, you earn staking rewards. The advantage of staking is that it requires fewer resources than mining, making it a more accessible option for many. But let's not forget, with all these opportunities come risks. The crypto market is volatile, meaning prices can rise and fall dramatically in short periods. So it's essential to do your homework and understand what you're getting into. Always remember the golden rule of investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And while there's potential for high returns, there's also a chance you could lose your investment. So tread carefully, make informed decisions, and stay updated on the latest trends and news. Cryptocurrency offers a range of opportunities for making money, but always remember, high reward often comes with high risk. So, is cryptocurrency just a bunch of ones and zeros, or is it the future of finance? Well, we've certainly covered a lot in our journey today. We started with the basics of cryptocurrency, understanding it as not just a digital asset, but a revolution in financial systems. We then ventured into the realm of altcoins, exploring the potential of these rising stars in the crypto universe. Unleashing new layers, we discovered how blockchain technologies are evolving and creating opportunities for innovation. Our News Flash segment brought you up to date with the latest happenings in the crypto world, keeping you in the loop. Then, we dove into the ways to make money with crypto, from investing to mining and more, highlighting the potential for wealth creation. The future of cryptocurrency is as unpredictable as it is exciting. As we venture into this new era, one thing is certain: the world of money will never be the same again.